Okay, tigers, do your crawling. Go get the paper. It's official. You can crawl now. February 9th? Good for you. Okay, look at mommy. Look at mama. Say, I can do it. Let me see your smile. Hi. Did you crawl now? You want to crawl to mommy? Come on. Hi, Grandma, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma. Look and crawl now. I'm a big girl. Are you a big girl? Let's see how cute your little face is. Tigers. Tigers. Hi. Hi, honey. Tegan. Oh, you're so silly. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Want to say bye-bye?